So I got this double-sided mirror right here for two reasons. Number one, to help my daughter with brushing her teeth and keeping her face clean because the mirror in the bathroom is just too high up for her to see. And number two, to help me keep the hairs on the back of my neck trimmed. So let's get it open and see how well it works for us. All right, it comes in a box like this. Let's get it open. All right, here's the mirror. We have a 1x and a 10x magnification here, and you can see the mirror can rotate 360 degrees. It's really lightweight as well. It's obviously a glass mirror, and the rest of it appears to be like an acrylic with a really glossy finish as well. Looks like the base has a diameter just under 4 inches. The entire unit stands a little over 9 inches tall, and it looks like the area of reflection has a diameter of about 5¼ inches. It's got a really sturdy base here. It looks like if you want to take it apart, you could for travel. You just have to unscrew that little Phillips head screw right there with a screwdriver. You can see that after unscrewing it, it breaks down into 5 parts roughly. That's the mirror, this piece here, which just gets inserted into the mirror right here to hold up the base. This decorative stem that protects that stalk right there. The base itself that goes flat against it like that, and the screw that goes back into it like so. And I guess you could say 6 pieces if you counted that little washer right there that's getting screwed into it. So it's obviously really easy to break this down and then reassemble it if you want to travel with it. So now that I've got this mirror actually in the bathroom, I noticed 2 things really quickly. It's that when I'm going to use it to shave my neck back here, I'm definitely going to use the 1x magnification to do it because it gives me a nice, crisp, clear image back there. The second thing is that when I flip it over to the 10x side here and I start to look at my face, I need to be about this far away from it to get a nice, crisp image like this. And I can notice that, my goodness, there are so many hairs on my face. It's just crazy seeing them up close, and actually it's so clear that I can actually see from when I was shaving, like, really clearly the micro abrasions that I make on my skin. Like, it's almost a little bit disturbing. So you see all this hair back here? Let's get to work on it. I can tell already just after the first few cuts that this is so much easier than what I used to do, which was just holding up a phone and trying to use that as a mirror. I like how crisp this mirror is right here. It's giving me a nice clear image of what I'm working with behind my neck right here. You'll see the difference at the end. Now, I'm not a stylist and I don't claim to be. I just like that this mirror right here has been able to save me the value of having to go get a haircut right now because it's been able to trim up my neck. Look at this difference right here. Nice and pretty clean and crisp, and I got all the stray hairs and everything down here. Again, I'm not like a stylist, I'm not perfect with this stuff, but this mirror really did help me out, especially compared to how I was using the phone before. So I think this mirror is gonna be really good for anybody like me or my daughter who just needs like a small portable mirror that's gonna help them maintain their hygiene. And if there's any negatives to it, I know there's some people out there who might be looking for a mirror like this that have like a ring light around it. This doesn't have anything like that. There's no kind of electrical components. So if you're looking for something like that, keep shopping. And a little content creator hack, now that I've turned off my ring lights and the lights in here, I'm just opening the window and using the natural light, and look how well this works. You don't really need a ring light on these things.